Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. As the saying goes, when it rains, we unbox. Let's go! Okay, so we have a huge box of consolidated package from our trusted buy and ship. And this, I think, is a consolidation of 8 items coming from different sources, both oldies and but goodies, and new ones, shiny ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox. It is currently raining here in Manila. Not just a song, but literally raining the entire day. It's I guess the start of rainy season. Usually it begins June or July, but now it's pushed back to April. Okay, which is fine because we don't want a lot of heavy rains because of flooding and the flood control scandal here in the Philippines. Okay, but we also want it to rain a little because hot weather is, I think, worse than rainy weather. Okay, at least for rainy weather, it's bad weather, but also bad weather. What do you guys think? Do you prefer hot or wet? Me, I prefer wet. So let's go and take a look at this big box. I think this is one of the bigger box that we are doing. As I said, this contains a bunch of online purchases, and I don't think there's any trade here. A lot of online purchase and pasabays. Let's dig in. Starting off with plastic. Always good sign of well-packaged item. Okay. And another plastic. Let's see. The plastic says, "Thanks for shopping with us. Sincerely, Jewel Osco." We don't have that in the Philippines. Okay, I see some items now. We have Adam Strange. Okay, this is an old LE, pasabay item from someone. So, it has arrived. Okay, we'll probably check that out because I haven't seen this in person. So, I want to do a quick unboxing of it. But it seems to be sealed. I don't know if it's resealed, but it seems sealed. So, I'm also tempted to just keep it and give it to the pasabayer sealed like that. Another plastic. The same shop. I wonder what Jewel Osco is. Maybe you can tell me in the chat. I would imagine it's a grocery store like Walmart or what? Walmart. Okay. So bubble wrap. More bubble wraps. We're not gonna keep those. We have our purchase from WizKids. Okay, DC Comics Heroclix John Constantine. That's the free one. And then we have the Flash Speed Force Starter Set 2026 and Apocalypse Planet Pack. Okay, and there we go. We have the Starter Set 2026. Such a beautiful starter set. Check out the Learn to Play and Heroclix community there. Okay. And this one. Okay. Especially that Flash sculpt. It's really nice. This is not for me. That's a pasabay. Okay. Apocalypse item. Now this is for me. Okay. Or I can also trade or sell it. Because I was able to find the dark side via a trade. The one with the legacy. But I don't have the granny goodness. So maybe legacy cards, the granny goodness legacy card. Okay, so I plan to do an unboxing of this separately, so watch out for that. That's ours. Okay, and then where's John Constantine? Hello, John. Where are you, John? Here is John Constantine. So this is a freebie. We're gonna complain if whether it's old. Free is good. Okay. Then we have here a bunch of, yeah, this one, Iconics. Okay. Also from WizKids. Flash Iconic Speed Force. Okay. This is for someone else. Okay. Flash Speed Force. Okay. So of course, the meta is the Black Lantern Flash with the sideline active trait. Okay. So I see some more items here. New ones. Okay. We have the Volt Booster finally. Okay. A Volt Booster. This is, of course, this is from Game Nerds. So this should come with the other LEs from the recent Fight for Gotham City set. Okay. So we're looking forward to this Volt Booster. Yeah. Okay. We want to get the Pegasus, of course, just like everyone else. So that's ours. Oops. Okay, sorry, the camera fell. So we are continuing again. The last item we opened is a Fight for Gotham Volt Booster. This is going for $100 now. I don't know why, because the distribution is not so good. Ooh! Now this is for me. So this is my big boy purchase for this batch. We have here Deadpool Unicorn. Sorry, I can't remember. I'm so bad with names, but I got this from a player from the US. Okay, so shout out. You know who you are. Thank you very much, sir. This has been received. And this also contains some other figures. Let me see. Okay. We have Deadpool. Okay, I'll keep this. I'll probably do a separate unboxing of Deadpool. Ooh, because he deserves a separate video. Okay, it's been one of my dreams to get this one. So finally I have the unicorn Deadpool. Okay. And then aside from that, we have the Sentinel. Okay, we like to collect generic, especially if it's X-Men related, and especially if it's Sentinels. And we have a couple of Pogs, Deadpool from the Deadpool Weapon X. I want to get the poker token version, but it's just so expensive. So I was able to get a good deal for Weasel and Timebreaker just to complete my collection. Okay, so it's okay as long as we have it. But where's the Sentinel? There you go. There's the Sentinel. I see. Okay. Sentinel acquired. Okay, so thank you very much, sir, for that particular sell or purchase. Okay, I'll probably keep this bubble wrap. That looks nice. Okay, another bubble wrap. A pink bubble wrap. Okay. Let's see. We'll keep some bubble wraps because we're gonna ship out items out. We have here from a different US player. I think this is from Ed Berkovitz. I'm not so sure, but we have Mantis. Okay, so we got him before, but we got him again because we sold the first one. So we're probably trading or selling that one. We have Kanjaro Gamagong. This is reserved to someone already. Okay, so it's a pasabay. Then we have Parademon. Yeah, this is for us or for sale to package with that Apocalypse. Okay, we have a bunch of Apocalypse figures. And then let's see. We have a couple of cards here. Rip Hunter and Clock King. But where's the figures? Maybe here. There you go. Oop, where's Bastion? Oh no, where's the card of Bastion? We have Bastion. Okay. So I sold mine, so I'm getting him back. Bastion. And we have Rip Hunter. I also sold mine, so I got him back again. And Clock King. Clock King's just for sale or trade. Okay. If not, I think Heinz doesn't have any clocking yet. I'm worried about the Bastion card. Is it here? No, no. Oh no. Okay, I have to double check all the package later. We have Abracadabra. Okay, so we got him before. We sold it, so now we have him again for sale or trade. This one for us also Jaro. Okay, we have Starro and Toyman with Jaro. So a separate unboxing video for this. Okay. Also for sale or trade, of course. We have Steppenwolf, also Apocalypse. This one is for someone else already. So it arrived once again. What else? We have the Batman with Bomb. Okay, it's an LE, old LE from WizKids. This is not for me. This is for someone else. So good that it's already here. We have Thanos Snap. Okay, iconic Thanos Snap. Also not for me, for someone else. But he is a beauty to see, to look at as always. So on the side, I hope he gets an extension in terms of legality. Okay, this is from Game Nerds. We have the Bat Knight from Fight for Gotham City LE. Okay, it's a bit small. I was expecting a larger box for him. So probably a separate unboxing video. And this one, I'm excited about the Batman family. Okay. I'm thinking this will be for keeps. Okay. Unless, of course, I can trade something like an X-Men for it. But for now, I plan to keep it. Okay. And we have a couple more items. Unfortunately, the Bastion card's not here. I'm so sad. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Let's check. Oops. Sometimes that happens when you do consolidation. That's the risk that you get some items because they put it all together in one box. Some items can get missing. Okay. But it's fine. It is what it is. If we cannot do anything about it, it's just sad. Okay. Okay. So we have here a couple of items. This is from Blant Archer. So thank you very much, Sir Blant. And it contains... there! Bastion is here. Okay, so I got that item, Bastion from Blant Archer. So, correcting myself, we have Bastion. Okay. Thank God. Okay. Okay, and then we have Lich. Okay, I already have a Lich. Obviously, it's a common figure, but I just realized I don't have a second Lich. And sometimes, what's better with one Lich? Two Liches. Because of the removing the protected outwit, safeguard outwit thing. Okay, so what else did we get from Blunt Archer? We got some oldies. We have Koi, we have Black Heat, and Loki, Agent of Asgard. So Loki is going for Heinz. Okay, every time we get Loki, that's for Heinz. Then Koi is for us. Okay, I really like this figure when this came out during Empire, but in the course of time, I traded him. So he was cheap online, so I got him now. And Black Heat, maybe legacy speculation for Thunderbolts. Okay, so let's find the figures. Box, paper. What's this? What's this? Ooh, some more. Okay. So we have here the Aquaman, zombie Aquaman from Notorious, the seahorse one. Okay, wow, he's a beautiful figure. Okay, so this is not for me. This is for someone else, but he is pretty. Okay, let's put it that way. Let's see the figures. Okay, so they seem to be packed nicely. This should be Koi. Okay, Koi. Okay. And this should be Loki and Dark Hit. Yeah, this is Black Hit rather, not Black Heart, Black Hit. Okay. So hopefully he gets legacies so that our investment is worthwhile. If not, then that's fine. We can always sell him. And then we have Heinz. Shout out Heinz. We found one of your what's Loki from the Mighty Thor, Agent of Asgard. Okay. So with the lightning bolts intact, we're gonna keep this box for packaging. And then the last one, it's from FSG WH. Okay. We have this is Flipside Gaming FSG, and this is the Heralds of Galactus. Okay, so I bought it before but sold it of course to Heinz, bought another one, sold it to someone else, and then I bought it again now, and this one is reserved to someone else also. So it's fine. The box is a bit rough, but let's see the figures. Figures are intact, and that's the important thing. Okay, so that's it. We finished our unboxing. Which among the items that we got is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for now, bye, so that I can look at them closely. Bye.